In this video, I will show you how to add Google domain to Wix website. In order to do that, head over right here to your Google Workspace and then you can see in here this. You just need to set up your account. Just click on this Get New Custom Domain and click on this Continue. Just search in here for domain names that you want to use and then you can see in here some domains and you can see if it's available. So just head over and then use that domain if you want to. Now click on this next and then just enter your business information and just proceed as usual. Then after that, just buy that domain. Once you have bought the domain, head over to Wix, scroll down and click on the settings. After you have done that, scroll down and click on domains. And then from in there, it will load like this. Now just enter in here the domain that you have purchased and click on let's go. So from in there, if you already purchased it, it will appear right there. So you can just follow the on-screen instructions in order to actually purchase or use that domain for your Wix. So that's all.